And now to the Georgia State Capitol, where Governor Kemp has 1 day left to sign bills into law or veto them. Anything he does not sign or veto automatically becomes law. Our Madeline Montgomery joins us live from the Capitol. Madeline, the governor signed more than a dozen bills into law today?
He did, Sharon. It was a busy day, and the governor's office said that the theme of the day was affordability. Among the bills signed today, the Georgia Economic Growth and Tax Relief Act. This will cut the state's personal income tax rate from 5.19% to 4.99% starting this year. Then it will continue dropping by 0.125% every year after that until it reaches 3.99%. So if your salary is $100,000 a year and you paid $5,100 in state income taxes this year, next year it would be $4,900, so saving around $200. Another law, the Homeownership Opportunity and Market Equalization, targets property taxes, which surged after a sharp rise in home values. The bill creates a local homestead option sales tax that would let local governments use sales tax revenue to fund homestead exemptions and reduce property tax bills for homeowners. The goal is to ease the cost of living by preventing dramatic property tax increases.
When you talk about affordability and, what we're dealing with right now, we've got, rebate checks as we speak going back. We have passed and have the money in the budget for one-time property tax relief, and then Senate Bill 33 will give further relief to our citizens.
Now, opponents of the law worry this is going to hurt local government and school budgets. Another law passed creates the Dream Scholarship, a new financial aid program that gives up to $3,000 a year to eligible undergrads at Georgia public universities and technical colleges to fill in gaps for costs like housing and books. And this passed after it was announced tuition would be going up at Georgia colleges. The governor had a busy day today. He says he plans on having a busy day tomorrow with more bills he plans on signing. Plus, he still has to sign the state budget, and we'll talk more about that coming up at 6. Sharon?
Looking forward to that. Madeline, thank you. The state is still in the process of issuing the first wave of tax rebates. Individuals or married people filing separately could receive up to $250. Heads of household are set to get up to $375. Married couples filing jointly can receive up to $500.